Ninth class Biology Chapter 1 Topic Wise Important MCQs 8th topic MCQs Malaria an example of biological method. The microorganism identified as the cause of malaria is option C. Plasmodium. Who first observed Plasmodium in the blood of malarial patients? Option C. Laveran. The hypothesis that mosquito transmit malaria was proposed by option B. A.F.A. King. Ronald Ross proved that malaria spreads through option C. Mosquito bites. The mosquito responsible for transmitting malaria to human is option C. Anopheles female.